Hello everyone. Now come to our next topic, intervals, which we will use in our next exercise. Now what we are having in intervals, look here, intervals. They are further divided into two parts. First one is finite intervals and second one is infinite intervals. And finite interval are further divided into three parts: open interval, closed intervals and semi-open or closed. Semi-open or closed both are same. Then infinite, later on I will tell you what we are having in infinite intervals. Now come to our first point, open intervals. What we are having in open interval, the set of all real numbers lying between a and b is the set to form an open interval. It is noted by a and b. In open interval we will use this bracket, open brackets, where AB is equal to x such that x belongs to R, where x lies between A and B. In this we will not include A and not include B. Only in between values of A and B we will use. Graphically on the real line AB is shown as below. Here suppose we are having a real line minus infinity to infinity. Here A and B are 2 points. Then open interval of A and B, it includes all the values in between A and B but not include A. See here, blank circle is there, here blank circle is there. In between A and B, not include A, not include B. For example, open interval of 1, 5 is equal to x such that x belongs to real, where x is greater than 1 and less than 5. Is the set of all real numbers lying between 1 and 5, excluding endpoints 1 and 5. Now come to our second point, closed intervals. The set of all real numbers lying between a and b, including a and b. In open interval we are excluding a and b. In closed interval we are including, underline this line, including a and b, is said to form a closed interval. It is noted by this bracket, closed bracket, where AB is equal to x such that x belongs to real, where x lying between A and B and also equal to A or also equal to B also. Graphically on real line closed interval of AB is shown as below. See here, minus infinity to infinity. In open interval these two circles are blank. Now it's filled one, means in between values A also, B also. For example, closed interval of 1 and 5 is equal to x such that x belongs to real, 1 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 5. What it means? It means it's a set of all real numbers lying between 1 and 5, including endpoints 1 and 5 also. Means it will include 1 also, 5 also, in between 1 and 5 also. Now come to our third point, semi-open or closed interval. We can write semi-open or semi-closed. First one, if we are having AB, where in A we are using closed bracket, here we are using open bracket. Here A is included but B is excluded. We say that interval is closed on the left hand side C but open on the right hand side C. Second point, A, B. Here B is included but A is excluded. We say that interval is open on the left side, open bracket, and but closed on the right. Both are known as semi-open or closed interval. Graphically it can be written as in this way, A closed from one side and open from one side. Means if both we are using open or closed, then it is known as semi-open or semi-closed. See here, minus infinity to infinity, A closed bracket is there, so we are using circle here and shaded one, and in between values also B we will not include. Why? Because here open interval is there. Second one, if AB, here open is there, here closed is there. See here, difference is there. Here closed, this one open, here this one open, this one closed. So graphically difference is also there. Here shaded one, here without shade. Here open is there, here shaded one is there. For example, 1 5 semi open and semi closed, it means it will include all the values in between also, 1 also, but not include 5. Listen carefully. Now second point, 1 and 5, 1 open and here closed, 1 is less than x is less than equal to 5, it will includes all the value in between x, in between 1 and 5, 5 also but not include 1.